Morning, y'all. Coming to y'all from the range this morning. Here to test out my Smith and Wesson M&P SportII rifle that I've been having some serious jamming issues, feeding issues with. I just got it back yesterday from FedEx. They sent it back to me. They said they changed the bolt. Here to see what happens with it today. I'm going to test it out here on the range this morning. There's absolutely nobody here. So we're going to put up some targets, fill up some mags and see what's going on. Hopefully we don't have any issues. Fingers crossed. Let's see what's up with this Smith and Wesson M&P Sport Optics Ready. Looks pretty good. Bolts intact. Well, that's what they said they changed. So let's take it out for a dry run. Slap our mag in there and empty him out. Now, let me explain the problems that I was having. Whenever I would put a round in there or full mag, this bullet would get jammed right in here, right in there, and it would get stuck like about 3/4 of an inch in to go into the barrel, because the bolt wasn't pushing it in all the way, and I would constantly have to keep knocking this bullet out. So let's see if they fix that issue for me. So far, so good. Got a smoking gun. I'm impressed. It's been about roughly a month since they had it under repair. Was getting kind of frustrated with all what's going on. Not being able to have my rifle, not being able to come out here and shoot. But I'm impressed. Thank you, Smith. Taurus TX22, old 16+1. Oh, laser sight on it. Bow. It's great to be out here in the morning. There's nobody here, like nobody here at the range. Let me show you. There's nobody. It's just me. Just me, whole range to myself. Run out some mags. Next pistol, Taurus G3. Holds, well, there's 2 mags. Comes with a 15 plus 1 and 17 plus 1. Chambered in 9. Haven't shot this in a while. What's this one down the bottom? Okay. Not bad. .40 cal. Smith and Wesson. This one holds, I think 14 rounds. Could be wrong, 14 or 15. A little heavier. 40 cal. It's fully loaded. Put one in the chamber. Take some shots. Give it a run out with, so far, the most accurate pistol. Scanic, Jonic, whatever you want to call it. TP9 SFX I have coming, but this one is the TP9 double action. You got single action, double action on top here, Warren sights. It's pretty nice burnt bronze. Most accurate one I have. Take for the top target right there.